Where are you at?
Playing Roblox on Office.
Aye.
Yeah.
What have you been doing all day?
Playing this.
Do you like Abby?
Yeah. Wouldn't it be cool if a portal came and you got sucked up?
No.
I wonder what it's like in a Roblox world.
I don't know.
Yep.
Would you like to see that?
Imagine if a portal came there and we got sucked off into the game. That'd be cool. What's that? It's a portal.
Where?
There.
There.
Yeah.
I don't see it.
That's it.
What are you going to do?
Go jump in it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wonder where it'll take you.
Yeah. Let's go.
He's gone.
This is where the portal took me. There's a checkpoint right there.
Aye.
Yeah.
You're mad about this portal. I don't believe you, but what's going on with all the cushions?
This is over there. That there is a checkpoint, that white thing, and then the rest is normal.
Right, let's try this.
Try again.
Touched.
Back again.
This is so hard. Back.
Can't believe you're inside the game.
What if I think this time I might make it? Made it.
Right, you have to try and get to the end.
Is that the end?
Yeah, you have to try and get to the end without touching the ground.
Touched.
Back again, Patrick.
So hard.
You're doing it this time. Come on. Come on.
Made it.
What do you guys say? You like this video? What's it like to be inside Roblox?
I don't know, but
Talk to me. What's it like? Can you believe you're inside the game?
yeah. I can't believe I'm in.
Is that good? What do you guys say before you go?
Hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and bye. Over and out.